Welcome to Whispering Pines West and East, where we own 41 buildings totaling 265 units, all purchased with seller finance with the help of Angela Wayne, one of my lenders and private money investors. How much money did I put into the deal? Zero. No credit, no cash. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna create a playlist where we're gonna answer probably 15, 20 questions as we walk around this property, give you guys both a tour and answer questions individually. Where do these deals come from? How do you find an Angela Wayne? What Angela wants to do is get involved in your deals, be a partner in those deals, and also she has friends that have money. This is somebody you wanna know. You guys will get the same education she's getting as we walk this beautiful property in Springfield, Illinois. All right, guys, back in the playlist, I've got Angela Wayne, one of my investors with me. He's also a student of mine. Her contact information is in the description below. This is actually not the first video in the playlist, so go back and watch the first couple of us breaking down the deal, what this looks like. But here we are in Springfield, Illinois, and we are on 41 units. Actually, not 41 units, 41 buildings totaling 265 units, purchased with seller finance, and Angela and I are walking around the property, giving you guys a tour, and answering the most rudimentary, basic questions that everybody asks all the time. And in this video, we're going to answer the question of how do I get started in multifamily? The next video is going to be, should I start in single family or multifamily first? We'll get into that next. So hang tight, stay in the playlist. Angela, if somebody asked you today, how do you get started in multifamily? What's your answer?
Partner with people who have the experience, who have been successful in that.
Love it. Okay, so do you have any tips on how to find those people?
Networking, really put yourself out there, really speak to these people.
Angela has a great answer, right? Which is, you want to get started in multifamily, the first thing that you should do is you should find other people doing it. How do you do that? Go on Instagram, type in #multifamily. People like me, Brandon Turner, AJ Osborne, Tim Bratz, a lot of people, Brad Sumrock, Vina Jetty, who's I would say one of my favorite operators. Let's go to the sidewalk. I would find operators, the ones that really want to be known, they make themselves known, all right? Multifamily operators make themselves known. You found me because of social media, right?
That's right.
Okay. So you guys can find operators and people to hang out with, and I would DM them. So step one in getting started in multifamily is find an operator that's already doing it. Step number two, find operators that are doing what you want to do or what you currently think you want to do, because you might change your mind and that's perfectly okay. Find out which one of those operators you resonate with, somebody that you actually like, right? There's people that find me and they don't like me. I'm okay with that, guys. I suck in a lot of ways. Go find the people that you resonate with and go and then ask them, can I be your friend? Can I bring value to you? Can I bring opportunities to you? Can I introduce an investor to you? Those types of things, okay? So step number three, I would learn how to evaluate a deal.
That's very crucial, yeah.
Crucial. And I would do that by knowing people like Angela, right? Angela has proximity to people like me. She has proximity to other investors that have experience in multifamily. And I would go find a deal. This is step number four. Find a deal on, let's say, loopnet.com or Crexy. Crexy is one of my favorite websites. As you're looking at what is going on in the market and you see the properties and you take the property and you bring it to an Angela or you bring it to somebody in Angela's network and you say, hey, can we underwrite this deal together? Can you tell me why this is a good deal or it's not a bad deal? That's what you got to do. Step number five is the most important part in multifamily is you have to make a determination of, do you want to be with smaller multifamily or larger multifamily?
Right.
And I know why that's such a big deal.
Everything, logistic, operation, raising capital, everything will be so much different.
Ooh. So in the next couple of videos, we'll talk about raising capital for multifamily, but Angela hit it right on the head. For a deal like this, it's creative finance. This is typically this is kind of a medium-sized deal, 265 units. This deal didn't require a lot of money, okay? So
in your criteria.
yeah, because I use creative finance, and creative finance really made it so I didn't really need any money at all. But if you're going to go look at 500 units or 700 unit deals, you're going to go raise like 30, 40, 50 million dollars.
That's right. Yeah.
When you're starting out, is that something that
that sounds like daunting, impossible.
Daunting and impossible. Okay, so let's say that you have $4, $5, $6 million. What I would do is I would take that number. This is step number 6. Take the number of the amount of capital you have access to and double it. Whatever that number comes out to, those are the size of deals I would maximum. I would not go and look up above that. Okay, so guys, those are the first couple of steps getting started in multifamily. In the next video, we're going to talk about, should I start with single family or multifamily? The video after that, we're going to talk about where do I find a multifamily opportunity? And then the video after that, we're going to talk about how do I raise capital for multifamily opportunity. So we'll see you in those videos.